Rhue, how did you fly both aircraft at one time?
I don't know, but that was pretty synopsis.
Pretty synopsis?
Back at it.